some of the words you can use when you're feeding baby. A lot of the words that we use with our babies are just simple little words. Most of the words you'd probably know. Most people would know if you have been in New Zealand. If you're not in New Zealand and you haven't been around or exposed to any Māori at all, here's some of the words you can use when you're feeding baby. Now this is the right time you want to start talking Māori to your kids, right when they're about this age. Hey, it's easy and it's the best practice for you to start getting confident. I don't think it's that important whether or not somebody speaks to other people in Māori. What I do think is important is that you get comfortable speaking Māori to your kids. And this age right here, when they're just learning, they don't know how to talk yet, this is like the perfect age to start practicing and using some words. One, it helps build your confidence, and two, they get used to hearing te reo Māori from a very young age. Nau mai ngā hua rongo tāne o tangaroa haume tiki tiki kia manoa nui, kia manoa roa, kia manoa tīna hui e tāiki e. Anei, ka pai e kai. Tēnā koe, tino pai koe. Ano, titiro mai. He reka ne. Okay, kubutu. Ano? Okay, yucky. Kubutu.